Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a 4th of July painting. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are paints, a pencil, a paintbrush, a canvas, and a piece of paper. First, what you're going to do is draw 2 large stars and make sure they both fit on your canvas. Now that I have my 2 stars, I'm going to take my canvas and put them where I want. You can make more than 2 if you want. I think I actually might make 3. So I'll trace out 1 more and cut it out. So now I have my 3 stars. I'm just gonna lay them out where I want them. And like we've done before, we're going to hold them down and paint around them. And the colors I'm using are red and blue, since my canvas is white. So all together the colors make red, white, and blue, which are the colors of the United States of America's flag. Now I finished tracing all my stars. So what I'm going to do is, you can leave it like this, or what I'm going to do is take little bits of each paint and do the opposite color, kind of like bursting out of a star. just like that. There you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.